What's up, everybody? Okay, so we're gonna learn how to use the DAZ to Unreal plugin. They've just recently updated them, so let's have a look at them. Okay, this is the installation process. You can choose which ones you want to install. The best bet, people. The best bettings is open up your DAZ install manager. Okay, not through any other means. Use the install manager, right? You'll get them ready to install if you say DAZ 2. You'll get Unreal, all the ones that you want, whatever. And I'm just going to install all of these because I got all of them, but the one we're going to use is Unreal. So I'm going to install that. You must do it through install manager though, not DAZ Studio or DAZ, whatever the hell the other thing is. It's these, okay? Once that's happened, they installed, there we go, bam. Okay, so let's go to the next step. The next step you're going to get is when you open up DAZ, it's not going to open up fully. It's going to give you this DAZ to Unreal installation step 2. You have successfully completed. Okay, please complete the second step of installation, which is choosing your engine version. Right. Once you've done that, you can either watch the installation video, click on that, or you can just say close. DAZ will open up, and from there you can choose Unreal 5.2. We're going to use 5.2 in this one. I'm going to click yes and install the plugin. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and go choose where I've put Unrealing the engines. Where is it? I think I put it into here, and what did I put it under? Epic Games and 5.2. Okay, and I'm just going to put it there. Select folder. Bam. Okay, Unreal Engine successfully, blah, blah, blah. There we go. So you just got to take the root. Here we go, like that, and we're good to go. Okay, and that's it. We are done. Now the next part is opening up Unreal Enginings. Right, so here's the launcher. I'm going to update 5.2, and I'm just going to launch my project. Okay, one of the projects that I always just launch for this kind of thingings. Okay, once the engine is loaded in your scene or playing scene, whatever, you need to go to settings here. Click on settings and click on plugins. Okay, it was barely in there, but it made it. And then just type DAZ to Unreal, and click that on. It'll say you must restart the editor. Restart now, and it'll restart, and we're good to go. Okay, once it reloads, you can check it out here in case it if it worked. You can just type DAZ in here, DAZ, and you can see it's loaded. We're all good to go. Okay, cool. So now what we can do is we can go back to DAZ Studio. Okay, and we can load up some scene. Okay, you can close this. You can close this. It's done. We finished with that. I'm just gonna load up a quick zombie or something that I've done, and let's see if it all worked. Okay, so I've got the zombie creature. I'm not gonna do any poses or anything to it because I want to add those in later on. So what we want to doing? This is what we want to doing. So I'm not gonna put any expressions, nothing. I'm just gonna put like the textures that I want on, make him look cool, leave his standard pose, leave his standard expressions. Okay. So I'm going to take the zombies, I'm going to say file, and send to Unreal Engine. Now you must have Unreal Engine in the background, okay? Have your project open in the background, and then I want to have a look at this, okay? Zombie 1, yes, skeletons, yes. Export morphs. Let's see what kind of morphs we got there, brothers. Face effects, okay, that doesn't help us very much. Arms, legs, zombie bear. Ooh. Oh, okay. This is everything. Oh no. Wow. Okay. Okay. This is quite crazy. It's everything. Wow. And then this is just everything. Okay. Let's try it with nothing. Okay. I'm gonna try it with nothing. Okay, export more, so I'll just leave that on. I don't know. Advanced settings, let's see here, select Unreal version. We've done all this crap. Open it, okay. No, I don't want any of that. But what is happening is I've got the zombie on a very high resolution. So let's see. Bake subdivision. Look at this. Naught. Ooh, zombie male. Let's try and put it on 3. It never works in the past, so let's see if that works, man. Let's put this on 2. Blood on the faith. Let's put that on 2 and 2. Let's just see. I don't know. Okay, I'm gonna accept, and I'm gonna accept here, and then it's gonna push it through to Unreal. Let's see. It usually crashes here, but in the past it usually crashes here. Everything is just kaput here. So let's see, Ari. Ari, let's see. I'm a little quiet because the family's sleeping. Ari. Everyone is sleeping, Ari. So let's see if this bastard works. Come on your way, little shite. Alright, I'm going to come back in a couple of minutes. See when this is done. Alright, and let's see it crash together. Okay, so that crashed the machine. Awesome. This is done. This has been going on for like an hour. Okay, so that died. Let's try it again. Okay. Export. Send to Unreal Engines. Bake subdivision. Zombie mail. Okay, let's just do it on 2. Okay, 2. That's it. Blood effects. Let's just send all of this like this. But the blood. This will also need to be on 2, right? And that one too. That one too. Okay, and the mouth. Come on, just 2. Okay. And then accept. Okay, let's see. Let's see if this one goes through or if it crashes again. The last one, it went for about an hour and it's gone. I'm not waiting more than an hour. Okay, let's see how this goes. Okay. Export phase is complete. So that was on a 2. That's on a 2. Let's see. I don't know. Okay, it's starting to come through. Okay, so it crashed inside of Unreal. It just crashed Unreal. It says it's out of memory, so that's lovely. My graphic card is 3080 Ti. I think it's got 12 gigs, and I've got 30 gigs of memory on my computer. I don't know what it uses. I don't know any of that crap. So let's try with like a lower resolution. Okay, so that totally destroyed my Unreal. Totally destroyed it. Had to start again. Alright, Ari. So let's try this again. Let's go even less. Okay, file, send to Unreal, and let's do divisions. Let's take everything to 1. Okay, 1. It's nothing big. But I want to leave this one, Ari. I want to leave that one, Ari. Mouth, yeah. Yeah, okay. We can, no, I want one Ari. This, okay. Okay, let's try this. Boom. And we'll come back. Okay, so that died. Let's try it one more time. Let's try it to Unreal. Yes, okay. Let's just set it to 1. Okay, that's it. That's all I want to do. Export morphs. We got none, right? Lock bone translations to morphs. Whatever, Gary. Look at that. Looks like shite now. Looks like shite. That's the only thing, hey. It doesn't export high resolutions. I've got quite a big machine, so I don't know what you need, man. I don't know what you need. Probably an ARRI machine. I don't know. That's a rough one. Anyway, let's see if this one works. Okay, looking promising. I got the okay, and I see it's going into Unreal. So let's hope, ARRI. Okay. That seemed to have worked. Okay, so that seemed to have worked. You can see it's in here, ARRI. It's in here. So the first thing I'm going to do is just say save all right there. Save all. You'll get a ton of stuff. If something happens now, you'll lose all of this. So I'm going to just save selected and wait a year or two until it saves it, and I'll be back. That just took a bloody half an hour or something, Gary. My God. Okay, so it opens up for you. You can see the blueprint, output pose, control rig. Hey? Okay. I think you can add a control rig to it, but like, you know, one with what's his face, mate. Hey, let's grab this bloody control rig. Oh, okay. So it doesn't have a metahuman control rig, but I'm sure you can get one. I'm sure you can. Okay, let's see what this thing looks like, man. Let's see if it's any good. I'm gonna put it to 000 and just put him on 000. Shit. 000, and we'll go find him. Hit F on the keyboard, and there he is. Okay, cool. Okay, he's not too bad. Let's put him away from her a little bit, and let's get him in a better position so we can actually see him. Okay, I mean, it worked. It worked. That's... The blood is all gone now, isn't it? And that's fine. That's fine, Gary. That's alright. That's alright, Gary. And then if you tweak all this, this will look good. This will look good. Huh. Interesting. Huh. Okay, so there we go. There it is. I mean, it's not as high res as I'd wanted, but it's not bad. It doesn't look bad. Anyway, that works. That's how you use it. So I've got on a 1 resolution. It's not... I wish you could just export them ridiculously high res, and I think you can. You know, if you want to get around this, I don't know if it'll work though. But that's how you use DAZ too. Unreal to DAZ. Let's see. Let's export a pose. Okay, so let's try a pose. I'm gonna select the zombie. I'm gonna select the pose. Yeah, that is cool. Yeah, that's cool. Okay, it's awesome. Damn. So now I'm gonna say File, Send to, Unreal, and over here we skeletal mesh, static, pose. You want to select a pose? Let's just see. Never done it. Proceed will delete key value. Okay, whatever. So this is exporting a pose. Proceeding or yes. Okay. I don't know. I don't know. I'm trying it for the first time, mate. I don't know. All these questions. Don't know what they mean. That's exported. So let's go off to Unreal. And okay, so I've got this. Go to the animation tab. So use what is this though? It's an animation sequence. So I'm going to use animation asset. Drag that into there. This one over here, mate. It exported that animation under animation, and damn. Okay, so bam, you've got a pose. Oh, Gary. That doesn't go with it. That doesn't go with it. Like that. That's interesting because it doesn't go through, so you can't use it. You're gonna have to set it up some other way. Anyway, I can't even delete it. Gary, I can't even delete it. It's one of these, right? So we could just put a transparent on it. Oh, I can call it. Yeah, it's this one. Can't we just make it opacity strength, right? Can we just do it completely? No. There we go. Just put 1-0. We're good, mate. We're good. But that is cool, man. That is pretty damn cool. That works. So, okay. So, I don't know how you do geoshells. You're probably going to have to rig the geoshell or export it with a skeleton. There's ways around it, definitely, but I don't know. I mean, I'm too lazy. Way too lazy to do it. Way too lazy. But there's other ways. Okay, so just let's do that again. Let's export another pose. I'm gonna go zombie male and just see what we're doing here. That's alright, Ari. That's a little alright. I'm just gonna put a quick face on him. So I'll fast forward this part. Just, you know, put on a nice little shouty face. Let's go. Okay, let's try something else. File, send to Unreal, and say pose, and say transfer face bones, active curves, apply bone scale. Okay, and let's go. Yes, let's see what this one. Okay, that works. So it's the bone. That's what that is. There we go. It's perfect. It's perfect. Let's just bring a little light in here, a little light for that face, that beautiful little face. Look at that wee little bastard's face. Wee little wanker. Little knob. Little wee knob. Alright. There we go. Look at this little bastard. Okay, in the next lesson, we'll start putting together an entire scene. Okay, we'll get some free assets, so everything will be free besides the DAZ character. You can import who you want, but we'll learn how to put together like a nice simple scene. This is ridiculously simple, not finished, but I thought I'd show you like an image of where it kind of is at the moment. Nothing great, no post effects, nothing, no proper lighting, no proper scenery, whatever, but it's just a quick pose. Anyway, guys, I hope this helps, and I'll speak to you later. Have a good one. Bye, guys.